In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts on your trading chart, making sure you never miss a critical market move. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the chart of the instrument you're interested in. This could be any stock, currency pair, or trading instrument available to you. Once your chart is open, the next step is to add your desired indicator. This is done via the Indicators menu, where you can choose from various technical indicators to help analyze market movements. Select the one you want to receive alerts for and apply it to your chart. Next, let's open the alert window, and there are two simple methods to do this. The first method involves a straightforward right-click on the indicator you've just added to your chart. This will bring up a menu where you can choose Add Alert on Indicator Name. If you prefer not to right-click, there's another way. Simply look to the top of your screen for the toolbar, where you'll spot an alarm bell icon. Clicking this icon will also take you directly to the alert creation window. Now, to set the alert condition. This is where you specify under what circumstances you want to be alerted. In the alert window, go to the condition menu and select your chosen indicator. Then you'll need to choose a specific plot from the output of that indicator. For example, if you're working with an RSI indicator, you might select the RSI line specifically. After that, decide on a trigger condition from the drop-down menu provided. You have several options here, such as crosses for when one plot crosses another, or a certain value, crosses above or crosses below for more directional triggers, or even entering exiting channel if you're tracking movements within a certain range. With your conditions set, it's time to configure the alert settings to suit your needs. Frequency is the first option you'll want to consider. This controls how often the alert triggers. Options include once per bar or once per bar close, depending on how frequently you want to be notified. Next, decide on how you wish to receive notifications. You might opt for pop-up alerts on your screen, emails, or even mobile push notifications if you're on the go. There's also an option to set any actions, such as sending a webhook URL to integrate with other services you might use. Lastly, give your alert a custom name and message, adding a personal touch and ensuring you can easily identify it later. Once you're satisfied with all these settings, simply click the Create or Save button to lock in your alert. You should see a blue line appear on your chart, which indicates where the alert is active. Should you need to manage your alerts later, just click the alarm bell icon in the toolbar or visit the Alerts Command Center. From there, you have the flexibility to edit, pause, or delete any active alerts as your strategies evolve.